A viral video allegedly showing Tompolo at his birthday celebration with Naira notes sprayed and marched in violation of Nigerian currency laws hit the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) following its widespread circulation. In response, EFCC has promised to grill former militant warlord, Government Tompolo, widely known as Tompolo, over Naira abuse. NaijaNews reports that the anti-graft agency made this known in a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, on Monday. In the post, the EFCC wrote, "Nobody is above the law. Tompolo will have questions to answer." The video posted on Sunday by user Harrison A shows Tompolo dancing as a man spraying 1,000 Naira notes before him during his 54th birthday party, reportedly held in April. The incident triggered an online debate, with many Nigerians questioning whether the EFCC will extend its recent enforcement efforts to Tompolo or ignore the viral footage due to its political and social influence. It's worth noting that Section 21, Subsection 3 of the Central Bank of Nigeria Act 2007, as amended, clearly states spraying of, dancing, or marching on the Naira or any note issued by the bank during social occasions or otherwise, howsoever shall constitute an abuse and defacing of the Naira or such note, and shall be punishable under the law by fines or imprisonment or both. However, the EFCC has repeatedly warned the public that defacing or spraying the Naira constitutes a criminal offense. Just last week, popular actress Iyabo Ojo and comedian Ayomako AY were also invited for questioning by the EFCC over alleged currency abuse. With Tompolo's video now trending, question lingers in the minds of Nigerians. Nigerians question the EFCC's consistency in enforcing the law. We'll continue to keep a close eye on this story for more news updates. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below. And please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.